home treatment for shortness of breath.
Ayan, pakinggan nyo maigi ha. Marami ang nagkakaroon ng iba't ibang problema sa puso at sa baga. Na kung saan ang puso at baga ay napakalaking part para mabuhay, lumakas ang ating katawan dahil sa kanilang dalawa dapat umikot, mag-circulate ang dugo, kay baga naman magsimula ang oxygen na ihahalo sa dugo para ito ay mag-circulate. Nagkakaroon minsan, hindi lang basta tag-init ha, minsan hindi naman tag-init pero nangyayari ito. Dumarating sa punto ng isang tao na nakakaramdam siya ng kinakapos ng hangin. Home remedies. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi naman ito pang emergency, no, ito yung pwede nyong gawin para madagdagan ng hangin yung loob ng katawan. Dapat nyong gawin ha. Una.
Okay, una. First, lip breathing.
Okay. Bihira nyong marinig to, hindi pa namin na-share to sa alam nyo ba. First, lip breathing. Ito po yung para kang pipito. So, forma ka na mag-i-inhale ka sa ilong mo, relax mo dapat yung shoulder mo.
Your neck and shoulder
muscle. Tapos, inhale sa ilong.
Slowly breathe in through your nose for 2 counts.
2 counts.
Keeping your mouth closed.
Tapos,
purse your lips as if you're about to whistle.
Yun! So, yung inhale mo ng 2 seconds, iboblow mo ng 4 seconds, kailangan yung lips mo parang pasipol. Sa yon, dahil makakatulong yun, kumuha ng oxygen at mag-stay yung oxygen dahil yung pagbuga mo ng hangin, mas unti. Do it for 5 to 8 counts at makikita mo, unti-unti para kang nare-relax. Next!
Number 2. Sitting forward. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor.
Flat daw dapat. Upo ikaw. If kailangan yung dalawang paa mo nasa floor, okay?
Leaning your chest slightly forward.
Lean your chest forward. That's it.
Gently rest your elbow on your knees and hold your chin with your hands.
Hold your chin with your head. Ang neck at saka yung muscle, leeg at saka yung muscle ng shoulder mo, dapat relax lang. Tapos,
okay, and deep breathing for 5 seconds. Inhale, exhale. Next, kailangan naman natin ng table. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor.
Ganun pa rin ha. Tapos,
lean your chest slightly forward and rest your arms on the table. Rest your forearms or on a pillow.
Tapos,
okay, and then hihiga ka sa pillow.
Nakaside yung ulo.
And do your breathing exercise. So, pwede niyong ulit-ulitin ulit ang inyong pag-breathing.
Next!
Standing with supported back.
Ito naman. Sa ano naman to? Tatayo ka.
Stand near a wall facing away and rest your hips on the wall. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and rest your hand on your thighs.
Tapos mag-i-inhale, exhale din. Kasi mas maganda yung daloy ng hangin. Pag straight ka, mas okay yung circulation. Next!
Standing with supported arm. Kailangan mo lang ng
table. 1 foot forward.
Rest your elbows and hand on the piece of furniture or your table. Okay. Keep your neck relaxed. Okay. Rest your head on your forearms and relax your shoulder. Then, do your breathing exercise. Number 6, last one. Sleeping in a relaxed position.
Yan. Pag nahiga kayo, ang unan ilagay sa batok. Ibig sabihin, lalagpas yung ulo mo sa unan. Okay, yun. Relax. Yun ang tamang relax. Pangalawa, isa pang unan, ilagay mo sa ilalim ng tuhod mo. Pagka nakahiga ka ng ganyan, flat mo lang yung kamay mo, and then inhale, exhale.